गोंयांत उदका पुरवण, सॅनिटेशन आनी उदकाच्या वेवस्थापनाचेर पोर्तुगाल आनी गोंय मेळून काम करतले. पोर्तुगाल आनी गोंयची ह्या विशयाचेर कबलात जाली. पणजे मेमोरंडम ऑफ अंडरस्टँडिंग सायन केलो. मेमोरंडम सायन करपा खातीर पोर्तुगालचो पर्यटन मंत्री गोंयांत आयला. प्रकल्पा विशीं पोर्तुगालच्या पर्यटन मंत्री आनी गोंयच्या PWD मंत्र्यान म्हायती दिली.
Memorandum of Understanding is being signed today is one of a significant step between the Government of India and Republic of Portugal and undoubtedly Government of Goa. I presume and is confident to see new opportunities and possibilities for our collaboration in the key area has been identified and discussed between the officials of the Gost de Portugal and Public Works Department Government of Goa. Indeed, it is a significant move to work in a tandem in collaboration to develop common initiatives for water supply and wastewater management in the state of Goa. Needless to point out that we have agreed and desire to implement a project of assessment of existing surrounding water supply and OPA water supply projects, decentralized sewage treatment plant on a pilot basis in Warpai town of North Goa. So also study on the removal of manganese in surrounding water supply system apart from capacity building. Though the present memorandum of understanding is for a period of 2 years, as is being given to understand, I am confident that we shall achieve this target and all objectives within the prescribed period.
If we can reach to this MOU today, it's because your Public Works Department and our Goa Govt, they have developed an excellent work before this day. And I think that the implementation of this MOU will be really important for both of the countries. We have nothing to teach you. We only have things to share with you. I will conclude that it's an honor for us to be here today. And I think that this is really the beginning. It's just the first day, even if they have to work a lot for us to be here today. I hope, Mr. Minister, that you can be our guest in November or December of this year in Portugal. And I have no doubt that now we have to work a lot to be sure that the goals of this MOU will be accomplished. Thank you so much.
गोंय सरकार पोर्तुगाला वांगडा मेळून पर्यटन वाठारांतय काम करपाक सोदता.
Independently, we have the advantage of having Singh Saab also as Secretary of Tourism. In fact, presently he is considering a proposal from the main travel and tour operators of Portugal who would like to host a congress which they do annually and looking at the potential of hosting the congress in Goa next year. So we are seeing that possibility and that feasibility. So it's going to be a step-by-step approach, but we are hoping that the technical part, if we can get this one correct and we see feet on the ground, we see the development that takes place, the transfer technology, iron out the financial and the administrative issues. Other sectors in a modular sense will be easy to come by. And of course we are here being a state government and being in a federal system. Primarily on the bilateral front, we would of course be led by the Ministry of External Affairs Government of India.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी ओमकार फळारी.